Hey, so if you're getting a Dropbox storage full issue, yeah, like you can't upload files, sync stops working, or it keeps showing a storage full warning, that can be really frustrating. In this complete guide, I'll show you how to fix it step by step. First, open your Dropbox account and check how much storage you've actually used. This tells you if you're really full or just close to the limit. Next, yeah, delete files you don't need anymore. Old videos, backups, or duplicate files can take up a lot of space. Now, don't forget this part. Empty your deleted files folder. Files still count against your storage until you permanently remove them. Yeah, check for large folders like videos or project backups. Removing just a few big folders can free up a lot of space quickly. Now, use selective sync to stop syncing folders you don't need on your PC. This helps reduce storage usage locally. If you don't need files in the cloud, yeah, move them to your computer or external drive instead of keeping them in Dropbox. Now, if you're consistently running out of space, upgrading your Dropbox plan might be the easiest solution. Yeah, shared folders also take up your storage if you're the owner, so check what's being shared with you or by you. If you've freed space but still see the error, restart Dropbox to refresh the storage update. So yeah, that's how you fix Dropbox storage full issues. Most of the time, it's just unused files, trash, or shared folders taking up space. Try these steps and your Dropbox should work normally again. Thanks for watching.